Steve. First one in here, good man. Hope he's got a beer. I'll give her a couple of minutes to find the stream. We'll get into it. Thanks, Troy. Cheers, Dan. Just gonna give it another minute or so. Wait for everyone to find it. We're on Autumn Moon. Bit of Mickey. I'm bloody good, Steve. Just on the point. We've got 50 people watching. Wait till we get up to 100. I'll give it a kick in the guts, eh? We got 500. We've got 100 in there now, and we're just going to send it on Autumn Moon on the Dollar the Noms, chased at 1250 a low minor. Cheers, Benny. G'day, mate. Yeah, 5 cents, that's our go-to way. That's our pull us out of the crap denom. Right, let's get stuck in, eh? G'day, John. Cheers, John. Hope the video quality is all good. Hope it's not lagging or anything. Let me know. You wouldn't believe it, but the lightning link green went off today. Hence why we're playing the dragon link, because someone once told me lightning doesn't strike twice in the same place. Cheers, Daniel. There we go, we're into it. That's volume up too, isn't it? Christ, it's quiet here too. Oh, the Steel Storage boys. G'day Steel Storage boys. Hope you boys are having another Christmas party tonight. I've got a feeling you guys have a Christmas party every night. Oh, that's rough. It's also rough. Yeah, big shout out to the boys, Chris, Steve, John, Mitchell. Good lads. That was pretty average, wasn't it? But let's just hope it's warming up. G'day, Sharpie. Is that you, Mark Burrows? Haven't seen you for a while. Good to see you. Yeah, that was bloody terrible, wasn't it? Anyway, we've put 100 in and we've got 400 left in the kitty, so we've still got a little bit to go yet. That's ultimate tease, isn't it? Look at that one, the 250, and then that happens. We'll smash another 100 at this on the maxis, eh? And then we'll try that 5 centres. Hope you've all had a good week. Hope you've all knocked off from work and enjoying the stream with a beer or two. Hope none of you just got wrecked in the old online casino shutdowns. There it is. G'day Horse Mackenzie. Turned up just in time for the feature. Here it is. G'day Luke Hickey. Saved by the bell. Stone Cold Steve Austin is in the house. I can confirm Steve Austin's is in the house, yes. That's correct. Oh, saved by the bell again. Send me the love hearts. We need the love heart. See that little love heart button down there? Press it. Tap the shit out of it. Next time. I'll certainly give it my best, swag nuts. Oh, Steve Waters, happy birthday, mate. Big happy birthday. I hope the bosses, I'm sure the bosses put a shout on for the boys. Sounds like a good sort. Oh, imagine that, the old back-to-backer. Yeah, great start, John. Yeah, so we've put 200 in so far, so we're in profit line. I know, 150 odd. I'll just keep giving it a tick away down to 500, then we might think about it. What's everyone drinking? Don't say Corona. I'm joking, if you drink Corona, that's fine. I just think it's a little bit early for waters at this stage. $300, and we're gonna go down to the old 5 centres max spins. See how that goes. CC and Dry, nice. Great Northern, also nice. I can't tell you what I'm drinking, it's a little bit embarrassing. It's the point of the day though, so just trying to support the club. Last spin, we're off to 5 centres. Bear with me. Try small gamble on hearts lead. Right, that sounds good. Next small win is hearts. Like this one. Good one. Good job. You legend. Holy, that's the one we're chasing. Have a go at that little sucker. And that one. And that one. That's a doozy, we better turn the volume up. Better sing some piss, that's a bloody doozy. Times that's by 5, so that's 500. That's 250. That's 75. Yes, Stevie Baxter, just doing it for the boys. Good numbers. Solid numbers. That's what we want for the boys. Aye. Solid numbers. Same as the hearts. If you see those that little heart button there, press it, tap it, do it. Old 5 centers come through again, eh? That's how you top it out, boys. Welcome to Max Spins Friday. The thing about that, boys, get excited. I wish I had another camera so I could do a shoey, but we'll finish this, eh? Thank you. Cheers, lads. John, that is bloody brilliant, mate. The boys are currently up 1,200. The boys requested once we double our money, I pause it, and I talk to the boys. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause it, go for a break, go grab another beer, go to the toilet, and we'll see you in about 5 or 10 minutes. Thanks for watching.